Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? I'm back again with my Kali Mata cards. So I have taken out two cards and kept. So let's see. It's going to be a general reading because most of the times I only do general readings with Kali Mata cards. Now before I take this further, some people had asked me saying, do we have any WhatsApp groups where they can find my my tips from time to time and my daily readings and my workshop details and product details. So yes, we do have. I shall give you one of the team numbers. It is 63806 77131. I repeat, 63806 77131. You can connect with that number and you can tell them your name and the city, and you will be added to the WhatsApp group where we post our daily cards. Sometimes tips are posted. My videos, my YouTube short videos and all other videos are first posted in that WhatsApp group, and also my workshops, my course details, everything keeps coming there. So maybe you can, if you want, you can connect with that number. So let's see what's the first card which is coming. Now that's a beautiful card, Gauri Devi. So let's see what is the next card, then I will combine. Oh wow, that's a blue Tara. That's two beautiful cards, the Gauri Devi and the blue Tara. The Gauri Devi comes, when you need to recognize your own value, your inner self, your beauty, whatever you say. Because if you see this, she is a ruthless lady, but she helps you in overcome all the obstacles. Today, the common point in both the cards is both work on your heart chakras, both work on compassion. At the same time, both work on how you can become more soft and more, lovable. So here, when there are a lot of stories when it comes to these devis and all, but it's a reading of the day, so I'm not going to that. When this comes, basically you need to see what is your capacity to do a thing. So if you feel too much of workload is being given today in your office, then put your foot down and tell them, you cannot work so much, but at the same time tell them with a very softer way and not with a very harsh way. As I said, today is the day where both the cards are talking about the heart. So look at her, keep your hand in your heart right now. Okay, just visualize her energy going through your third eye and energizing your heart, and just say Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Gauri Devi, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Gauri Devi, Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Gauri Devi. 11 times you just tell, and just tell her, oh Mata, quiet my mind, make me happy, make me open up to things where I have to open up. So that you can do with this beautiful Gauri Devi. Now coming to yet another awesome mother of peace. She is the mother of peace, the blue Tara. Basically, she is a person who represents the, in Dashamahavidya, the second Devi, which is the goddess Tara. Tara Mahavidya is where we work on how our spiritual energies influence our daily life. Okay, so now here, when you see here, what she reminds us is that we need to accept things with grace. We need to trust things again and again, that things will come in our favor, things will work beautifully in our favor, and things will be really really good. So today, after meditating on her, just look at her and just chant 21 times Om Tare Soham. I repeat 21 times Om Tare Soham. But one thing you'll do is you'll say Om Tare Soham, I am completely healed. Om Tare Soham, I am completely healed. Do try this and see. Today the color will be pink, and I do let me know how you felt the reading, because if you like it, then I shall bring in mantras, I shall bring in more tips in my everyday readings and everyday card of the day. God bless you all.